Hello, welcome to RosyTastyKitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I make my coleslaw today, and these are the ingredients I'm using. Yes, these are the ingredient I'm using. I'm using cabbage, white onions, and carrots with mayonnaise. Yeah, I first grate my carrot. You can do it any way you are able to do. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I cut it as well, so it doesn't look like, oh, because I have this is my salad master I'm using. You can cut it as well, or use a shredded knife to do it. So this is the carrot I just grated. Yeah, this is shredded. I'm doing a lot of it because I'm using it to take to church, so I'm doing a lot of it. I'm just going to show you when I mix a little bit of it. So you shade it, and I'm going to change it and shade my cabbage as well as I'm going to show you how I cut it with knife. Okay, because you can cut it with knife, you don't have to use anything to shade it before you can shade make it for your family. Because I was doing a lot of it, that was what I'm actually using. Because if I'm just doing for the family, I actually shade it with knife or cut it with knife. Very slide it very slim. Okay, so this doesn't take long at all. Is a salad you can prepare within 10 minutes or less than that, depends how fast you are to do all those things. So you prepare everything you need, then you start cutting it. I didn't show you when I wash it and all of that, so you have to wash your cabbage and your carrots before you start. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish shading with the salad master, and then I will show you how I cut it after this one. Okay, yes. Thank you, families and friends who is supporting me, with showing love by watching my videos and sharing it with friends. Okay, so it's very simple one. I'm not putting too many ingredients. It's just a very simple one I'm making. That is how that looks. And I'm gonna show you how I use how I cut it with knife as well. So you can see the possibility of you cutting it with knife. So that is it. Yeah. That is it. That's the knife one. So that's how I cut it. I always like to make all this salad, especially if you are doing like a keto diet. You make it and you eat it with your meat, chicken, fish. It's very filling, I tell you. Make it, you eat it with your rice, side dish in most of the food. So it's very healthy. Cabbage is very healthy. A lot you can do with cabbage, to see. So I finished cutting that one. So I'm gonna cut the onions next. That's the white onions. You don't have to use all of them, and you can grill it if you know that, or you don't like to see any onions on your food. You can actually grill it. You can do without adding onions as well. Yes, you can do without adding onions. And you can add other ingredients as well if you feel like it, like maybe adding sugar, adding milk. I don't do all of that. Yes, I don't do. I'm just using the mayonnaise with these onions, and it does really come out really well. You can decide to say you are not using. You can even use onions powder. You can use onions powder, and you can do without even adding any onions. You can use just your cabbage and your carrots. Okay, so when you add it, you mix it together. Mix it together. So you mix it together with your onions, and if you are not ready to use it, I would advise not to add the cream yet, or you take bit by bit to mix with the cream. Unless you are using it for events, you can as well pack it, and when you are almost to use it, you can mix it with the cream. So that is how I put it together. I'm taking to church actually. Okay, that is how I put that together. Taking it to church. Okay, mix it together. I'm going to show you my own. I'm the one I'm using at home. So I've mixed it. I've mixed it a little bit of it to use at home. Okay. Yeah. So the one I'm using, use that. This is the one I'm using at home. Thank you for watching.